So we were on to this question. When you write the answer to this question, ना please write it as 1 2 3 जैसे पूछा है. कई बार क्वेश्चन में 1 2 3 नहीं होगा, लेकिन तब भी आप आंसर 1 2 3 करके ही देना. So first answer, leave one line space. Second part of the answer, leave one line space. Third part of the answer, leave one line space. So how is clarity on who is to report to whom useful in carrying out the above function? How is it? Because there is no confusion and chaos and there is no overlapping and duplication of the work. So बस एक नंबर के लिए इससे ज्यादा नहीं लिखेंगे आप. All right, let's move ahead. All right. Here, question number 12. Name the process under which Mr. Rahul transfers some of his authority to Mr. Hemant. मुझे केस स्टडी पढ़ने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. हिंट यहाँ पे दे दिया आपको इतना बड़ा.
Delegation.
It is delegation.
Delegation of authority.
Absolutely. चलो एक पार्ट हमें 1 मार्क मिल गया. Next, name the elements of the process identified above. What are the 3 elements of delegation?
Authority, responsibility,
accountability.
accountability.
Good, perfect. Another 1 mark. Third, distinguish between the elements with reference to flow. What is the flow of authority, responsibility, and accountability? Authority का flow
Authority
क्या है?
moves from top to bottom.
Right.
Responsibility bottom to top, and accountability bottom to top.
Absolutely. So authority is from top to bottom. Other 2 are from bottom to top. And last is Mr. Rahul is referring to one kind of plan here. ये integrated question है. यहाँ पे plan भी आया है. He is referring to one kind of plan here. Identify and name it. अभी देखो आपको दिख जाएगा. As a consequence, Mr. Rahul, production manager of Z Limited, downwardly transfers some of his authority via determining long-term objectives, adapting suitable course of action, and allocating resources. ये 3
Strategy.
स्टेप इस प्लान में किए हैं.
Planning.
Which plan, darling? Which plan are we talking about?
Strategy.
Strategy. Yes, these are the 3 steps of a strategy: determining long-term objectives, adapting a suitable course of action, and allocation of resources. ये तीनों steps strategy के हैं. So देखो कितना कम लिखना पड़ेगा. पहले में आपको क्या लिखना है? सिर्फ लिखना है delegation. सेकेंड में लिखना है अथॉरिटी, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड अकाउंटेबिलिटी. सिर्फ 3 वर्ड्स. थर्ड में लिखेंगे अथॉरिटी फ्लोज फ्रॉम टॉप टू बॉटम, वेयर एज रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड अकाउंटेबिलिटी फ्लो फ्रॉम बॉटम टू टॉप. ये लिख सकते हैं, या आप बना सकते हैं अथॉरिटी, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, अकाउंटेबिलिटी. ऊपर लिखो फ्लो, और अकाउंटेबिलिटी, अथॉरिटी के आगे लिखेंगे टॉप टू बॉटम, और रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी और अकाउंटेबिलिटी में लिखेंगे बॉटम टू टॉप. टैबुलर फॉर्मेट में दे सकते हैं. एंड लास्ट में आपको क्या लिखना है? मिस्टर राहुल इज रेफरिंग स्ट्रैटेजी. कितना कम लिखना है. केस स्टडीज का ब्यूटी ही ये है दैट यू हैव टू राइट लेस बट यू गेट मोर मार्क्स. ऑलराइट, गिव, identify the type of organization followed. Now boys and girls, how many do I have here? 15 boys and girls. Just let me see who all are there. Just give me 1 minute, darling. All right, fine. It's so good to see you people. That shows that you people are eager to learn. Thank you. हाँ जी, so जब हम बात कर रहे हैं टाइप ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, तो आंसर क्या हो सकता है? सिर्फ 2 ही ऑप्शंस हैं यहाँ पे टाइप ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में.
Ma'am, informal
Formal
organization.
organization.
वेरी गुड. फॉर्मल और इनफॉर्मल. सो यहाँ हम किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? जस्ट
Informal.
Formal.
Informal organization.
इनफॉर्मल. श्योर?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हाउ डू यू से दैट?
Ma'am, because she is talking to
Ma'am, she
directly
talked
to sales
freely about her
department.
problem.
Freely about her problem.
Absolutely, right? So she's talking directly and very freely about her problem. So it's informal organization. Give any one advantage and one limitation. चलो बताओ, एक advantage बताओ जल्दी से.
Fast communication.
All right, very good, Shaina. And disadvantage?
I'm spreading up of rumors.
Oh, very good. Wonderful. बस इतना ही लिखोगे और मार्क्स मिल जाएंगे. Advantage, fast communication. It leads to fast communication. Disadvantage, it leads to rumors or spread of rumors. बस इससे ज्यादा नहीं लिखना है 1 नंबर के लिए. All right. The next one is can the directors blame the production manager and can the production manager blame his foreman for not achieving the target? So what is it? The directors of
No.
एक बार पढ़ लो, अपने आप पढ़ लो और मुझे बता दो. Can the directors blame the production manager for not achieving the target? Just check it out.
No, ma'am.
No?
Ma'am, blame because he did not give the authority.
Okay, let me see. The directors of Joy Limited. Okay. So, see, again, the question is, can the directors blame the production manager? Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Definitely, the directors will blame the production manager because it's his job to achieve the target of production of 100 computers a day. Can the production manager blame his foreman for not achieving the target?
No.
No, he
No, ma'am.
cannot blame. Okay, give reasons in support of your answer. Now you have to give me a valid reason. Why can the directors blame the production manager?
Because he is accountable to the upward.
Absolutely, because it's the job of the production manager to achieve the production target. It arises from his formal position. And why can he not blame his foreman? One, he cannot blame his foreman because he transferred, because it is a case of delegation where accountability remains absolute. And secondly, he did not give the foreman enough authority to achieve the objectives. तो दो गलतियां की हैं उसने, एक नहीं दो गलती की है. एक तो क्योंकि उसने डेलीगेट किया तो डेलीगेशन में तो फोरमैन की जिम्मेदारी ही नहीं बनती. इट्स हिज रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. एंड सेकेंड, ही डिड नॉट इवन गिव द रिक्वायर्ड अथॉरिटी, ही जस्ट गिव द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. और डेलीगेशन क्या कहता है? डेलीगेशन का मतलब है डेलीगेशन ऑफ अथॉरिटी. तो उसने अथॉरिटी तो दी नहीं और रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दे दी. राइट? सो वन रीजन ईच यू आर गोइंग टू गिव. Quickly give me the answer to the 15th one.
Informal.
Absolutely informal. Addressing the people by their first name is informal. Okay. Here we are talking about a concept which empowers the people.
Decentralization.
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 Very good, very good. Decentralization. Now here comes objective type questions. इसको नहीं करते हैं. All right. So should we call it a day then? I would just one sec. I'll go take you through assertion reason questions. एक दो. Yes, you can go through the assertion reason questions. So assertion says organizing creates a working relationship that establishes a clear channel of communication and specifies who is accountable for what. Is the assertion right?
True.
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 Reason says
True.
organization develops as a result of repeated performance of a given task.
True.
That
That is
is
also true.
But is it the correct explanation for the assertion?
No.
No. So
No, ma'am.
our answer is B. Good.
Option B.
Yes, going great. Next one. Organizing aids the business in adapting to new situations by updating the structure appropriately. Do we agree with this?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Reason is organizing causes the business to be unstable, making it harder to survive and expand in the event of a change.
Ma'am, incorrect.
It is incorrect. So that means only my assertion is right. Okay. We can take this question number 14. Which of the following is not an advantage of functional structure? Not an advantage.
A.
It may lead to problems in coordination. This is a disadvantage. Absolutely. Right? So A is the right answer. So when you have questions like this, please focus on to whether it's not an advantage or an advantage. I think we have done most of it. Another assertion reason. The framework within which management and operational duties are accomplished can be defined as the organization structure. So keyword hai framework. It gives a framework. So this is right or wrong?
Ma'am, true.
Right.
Right.
True. And the reason is the term functional structure refers to the division of the entire business according to the principal items to be produced.
Ma'am, false.
If we are talking about
It
items
would
to
be
be
divisional
produced, then it will
structure.
be a-
Divisional structure.
yes, right. So our answer is assertion is right, but reason is false. Let's take this 20th also. Let's call it the last one. Specialization is encouraged by the functional structure.
True.
Ma'am,
True.
true.
Absolutely. And reason is in the case of a functional structure, each department must perform a specified function.
Ma'am, true.
Also
Absolutely.
true.
So the answer
Ma'am,
is
A.
A or B.
A.
A.
Ma'am,
Absolutely.
A.
Yes, absolutely right. So doing pretty good.